Hi, first grade friends. Welcome to Word Work. We are going to be doing 3 ways today. So before we get started, I need you to make sure you have a pencil, a crayon, and a marker. If you don't have any of those 3 things, that's okay. You can use a pencil for all 3. The most important part is that we're just writing the words. Okay, my friends, you can see that we have a pencil on the left-hand side. We have a crayon in the middle. I'm going to use a blue crayon today. And my marker is red. It doesn't matter what colors you use as long as we are writing the words. Okay, our first word is splat. Finger stretch, splat. Starting with the thumb. S-p-l-a-t. Splat. Please write the word splat underneath the pencil. S-p-l-a-t. Splat. Now we're going to pick up our crayon and we're going to write the word splat another time. With my blue crayon, S-p-l-a-t. Splat. There are 5 sounds in the word splat. Now I'm going to pick up my marker and I'm going to write it again. I'm going to start right at the line so that I have plenty of space to write the word splat. Okay, our next word is the word scrub. Finger stretch with me. S-c-r-u-b. Scrub. We're going to pick up our pencil and we're going to write the word scrub in our first box. S-c-r-u-b. Scrub. And we're going to follow the same pattern with our crayon, writing the word scrub, sounding it out and finger stretching as we go. S-c-r-u-b. And then with our marker, S-c-r-u-b. Scrub. Our next word is the word strum. Strum. Finger stretch. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. With your pencil, please write the word strum in the first box underneath the pencil column. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. And boys and girls, as long as you're starting right at that line and you're not writing too big, your word should fit nicely in the box. With our crayon starting right at the line, let's write the word strum. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. Now with our marker, we're going to write the word strum one final time. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. All right, our next word is the word split. Split. Finger stretch with me. S-p-l-it. Split. S-p-l-it. Split. With your crayon, please write the word split. S, p, o, e, t. And last but not least, our marker. S, P, L, I, T spells split. Way to go, you're doing great. Our next word is the word strap. Strap. Finger stretch. S, t, a, p. Strap. With our pencil, please write the word strap. S, t, a, p. Strap. I'm going to have you write strap with your crayon and your marker on your own. So please pause the video and join me when you're done. Our next word is the word strong. Strong. This word has 6 sounds. Let's finger stretch together. You're going to need both hands to finger stretch this word. Here we go. Strong. S, t, a, g. Strong. S, t, a, g. Strong. Again, I'm going to have you write the word strong using your crayon and your marker on your own. So please pause the video and write those 2 words. Our very last word is the word strip. Strip. With our pencil, let's write the word strip. But before we do that, we're going to finger stretch, starting with our thumb. S, t, I, p. How many sounds did you hear in the word strip? That's right, 5 sounds. S, t, I, p. Strip. All right, friends, please write strip using your crayon in the middle column and write strip a 3rd time using your marker in the last column. Please make sure to complete the back side of this paper. And we are excited to see you on Thursday in our new building. Thank you for working hard today on your remote learning packet. We're very proud of you and we miss you, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.